I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas.
Hello everyone, Uncle Charles Walhingford back again with another outfit of the day. Now this outfit isn't that complex. This outfit isn't too much. It's a very simple outfit. It's nothing more than a polo shirt and jeans. But today, guys, dressing nice, it's really easy because the bar is so low. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I made this simple outfit slightly nicer, a little bit nicer, more complex without being too crazy complex. So first, what is the main focus? It's the shirt, right? The shirt is the main focus. Actually, it's not, and I'll get to what the main focus will turn into possibly, but most likely it's the shirt. With red, I find that red and black go together really well. Black is capable of being dramatic. Red is definitely being capable of being dramatic. But when you put red and black together, it complements each other, but it doesn't, you don't go too crazy. Too crazy. If you was to wear something red on red, I've seen like a lot of, not a lot, but red on red suits. It's too much. It really is. It's too much. You shouldn't do that. You absolutely shouldn't do that. So what I would suggest is wearing black. So what did I do? I have the pants I'm wearing are black. These are Calvin Klein Straight Slim. That's what they are. Calvin Klein Straight Slim. They're not tight. They're not your super slim or whatever. They're not tight on my thighs. They're contemporary, but for me, it's not immature. I'm an older man. Now, if you're a younger man and you want to wear super tight jeans, okay, I would suggest not. To me, it seems like not to get too out. Well, I'll get into it. The whole point of these videos, this whole channel, is to take men back. Some styles have feminized men. So one of those styles is wearing jeans too tight. Yeah, I said it. Wearing jeans too tight is a way to feminize men. I'm reclaiming masculinity, and wearing jeans too tight, I have a problem with that. It's, to me, it's way too feminine. However, you need a little balance. You need to sometimes soften things up. And I soften things up with the bracelet I'm wearing. Again, still a black bracelet, and it's an accessory. A lot of times when men don't dress up or don't dress well or think that they are maybe too feminine, they don't want to wear accessories. But there's a lot of accessories that can be masculine, like this bracelet. It is a lava stone bracelet, beaded bracelet. And with this particular bracelet, I'm not wearing too many. Some people like to stack them, I think. Sometimes people go too far, but maybe you could wear more than one. But I would suggest only being black. Only being black, especially for this outfit. Then I go over to my watch. Now this watch, if you know what you're looking at, this is a special watch. This is the Tudor, the company Tudor Fast Rider Black Shield. Tudor Fast Rider Black Shield. Black on black watch. Your fourth or fifth watch should be a black on black watch if you're concerned with looks and a watch going with outfits. Some people collect watches for one reason. I collect watches to look complete. I want to look complete, and it is important that my watch matches the outfit, and I believe this watch perfectly matches the outfit. There's other watches I could have chose, but I wanted a black on black watch for this particular outfit. And again, it's the Tudor Black Shield. If you're not familiar with Tudor, I want you to look it up. Look it up. It kind of means something, but I'll talk about that in another video. And then, which very well may be my main focus, and there's nothing wrong with it being the main focus, is the shoes. The shoes, the shoes, the shoes. These are my Nike Kobe AD NXT in University Red, if I got that right. The AD NXT University Red. If you know it, if you're in the know with shoes, you know these are sought after shoes. You can go on eBay right now. You'll pay anywhere from $150 from a poor condition to over $500 for very good condition. I'm not a sneakerhead. I love these shoes. These are one of my favorite shoes. And the reason why I have them in such good shape is because I wear them the least. This is the least worn shoe I own, and they're my favorite. These are some attention grabbers. But as far as women go, the women will actually like the design. The women will actually pay attention. It's like, oh, those shoes look nice. Those shoes look cool. What are those shoes? And that's what it's all about. That's what you want to hear. That's the bottom line. And if they don't recognize or don't care as much, they still care if your outfit is well put together. The red, then the break between the red is black, and then some more red at the end. That is a balanced outfit. Of course, black with your accessories. Oh, also for me, black wedding ring. Now I know a lot of you maybe not wanting to wear that because you're not married or what have you. You're looking for the person to put that ring on. But if you are married, consider looking at some colored wedding ring. This is a black tungsten wedding band. All right, guys, if you want to make this outfit look slightly better or uplift this outfit with the formality ladder and weather permitting, sport coat. Now this sport coat is my Calvin Klein sport coat that's in plaid. It's a black and gray plaid, and some formality to your outfit if it is weather permitting, in case you want to dress it up nicer than what it currently is. So you will have a complete outfit, or uplift that outfit if you can, especially with black. I highly recommend getting black items, black pants, black shirts, black sport coat, or black in something. And then you can really expand your wardrobe and you'll look really nice. All right, ladies and gentlemen, mostly gentlemen, I hope this helped you out. I'll see you on the next video. And don't forget, Uncle Charles Walhingford is just here to help.